Turtle! We stopped randomly because there's a seal here. How's it going, everyone? What you're about to watch is the last day of the last trip before this whole quarantine thing got started. So let's get on in and see what happened on this Oahu Photography Tour in Hawaii. 6 a.m. and the photography tour is about to begin. I've just been picked up. Alright, we are at Sandy Beach now, I think, to catch the sunrise. And it's pretty dang gorgeous. But yeah, got a tour, one of the family. And we're going to hit up a ton of locations today.
It's the evening light shining through the curtains. Time before the night when everything is golden.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Wrapped inside a bedsheet, playing with your hair, watching people on the high street. If I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still, wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside.
If you guys didn't know, this is the last day of traveling quite a bit for about 3 weeks. I've never been on a photography tour, but this is off to a great start. Sweet. Well, that was beautiful. And we're gonna head to the next spot, which is, I think, some cliff sides.
They call it Rabbits Island because back in the day they had about 3,000 rabbits up there. Yep. Construction crew member from Waimanalo put 2 rabbits out there. We know what rabbits do, right? Right. Boy, quickly.
I know what to do when we're no longer two, when us means more than me and you. Oh, if I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still, wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph, live inside. I need some way to prove that this was real. A memory is not enough. I'm scared that I'll forget the way it feels to be young and in love.
Love this spot. Absolutely love. You can see it already.
Let me stay right here,
Very nice, right?
just a moment longer. The picture is so clear. Please let this last forever.
This is surreal. Pretty intense. Definitely worth the money so far. Yo, it's only like 9 a.m. at this point. We still have until 4 p.m. on this tour. What else can we possibly see? A lot.
This waterfall right here goes right in between it. And I've always wondered how to get back here to see it. And, well, this is beautiful. I haven't been up here.
Guess Jurassic Park's over there. That's pretty cool. We're at a temple now / funeral grounds. They're segregated by religion here. It's pretty cool, I guess. We went to like the oldest cafe on the island. Had really good lunch.
I keep on running back to you. I can't lose this time. And no matter
This is the
what I
Haka
do,
garden, the Japanese garden.
I can't lose my. I keep on running back to you. I can't lose this time. And no matter what I do, I can't lose my. Try to fit you in a box with a little bit of passion, because you won't fit, throw a fit, and I'll leave you alone. And I don't wanna be your love, and I just wanna be your love. And even if I'm chasing you, no matter what, I keep on running back to you. I can't lose this time, and no matter what I do, I can't lose my. I keep on running back to you. I can't lose this time, and no matter what I do, I can't lose my. I keep on running back to you. I keep on running back to you. Will you stay on
Smells like incense. Whoa. It's a black swan. Holy I've been told those things will straight up bite off your hands, so gotta be careful of that. This temple's really nice though. Apparently it's an exact replica of one of the ones in Japan. How's it going? Since they wouldn't let me do it in Thailand. That was an accident. I slipped. Well, I rang that bell really hard. So Hawaii is really cool. Quite nice. They let me ring bells here. They must like your hand better than mine.
Well, you got a big old camera looking at them.
Look away. Come on, buddy. This is wild. Oh, there's 3 of them on there now. Sweet, thanks guys. Jump. Oh, there's a black swan again. Koi fish don't care. So that's pretty cool. Got to look at a temple, ring a giant bell, feed some birds in my hand. Very strange for that. And I think I'm gonna eat some shrimp here because apparently it's good. Turtle! Whoa. Sweet. Wow, that was really cool. We got to see some turtles. Freaking love turtles. Wow.
there's any of them out there, they'll call back to it.
Do you see that? That is a humongous frog. Look how big it is. There's a giant potted plant right there. That is the frog. Banana spider. Chairman's hat. Right there. Bet you can't guess why it's called that.
Closest you're ever gonna get. To your left, guys. That's how you do it, Dash. Part of the story in the movie. That's it. That's where they're flying in with the helicopter.
We stopped randomly because there's a seal here. We are currently at Pipeline right now, and right now I guess the waves are up to 15 feet high and they're washed out, which basically means they're breaking too early, so it makes them look all white. What they're wanting is an offshore wind, which is when the wind goes outward from the land, because that makes the waves higher. Onshore is when the wind comes toward the shore, and that cuts the top of the waves off and makes them not as high. In any case, right now, no one's allowed to swim. There's no surfers out there, because I guess it's too dangerous. Yeah, that rooster definitely just saw me. So our final stop here is at the Dole Plantation. And they grow a ton of pineapples here. There's a pineapple maze, etc. But yeah, I'm just gonna look around for a couple minutes and then we're gonna head back to Honolulu. And I'll pick up a souvenir for people to try. It's gonna be real good. It smells ridiculously good in that pineapple grill. Anyways, time to head on out. Right now I'm looking for some grenade gum, which our guide showed us. Really, really intense peppermint flavor. Praise the freaking Lord. Friends are gonna try this and it's gonna blow their minds and their taste buds. I know I'm not in Oregon yet. Oh my gosh, I miss the rain and the cold. Is it sad that I totally forgot I have a car? Mom! What are you watching?
Korean teleserie.
Oh, you had to try something.
Blue sky. What's that?
Food?
Food.
It's a specialty from Hawaii.
Oh, is it spam?
Grenade gum.
Nothing, man.
Nothing. Are you chewing it?
Oh, I need to chew them?
Yeah, it's gum.
Hard. Oh my god.
How is it?
It's good. Almost like wasabi,
Yeah.
where it comes up this.
Very hot.
The way the guy described it, the guide, he said it's basically like chewing on Vicks.
Yeah,
Alright, well, it's been great, guys. Time to eat some pizza. It's great to be home. And I'll give Faith her presents later. This was the last day, and like, I really, really enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm trying to think if I learned anything from this experience of traveling for like 3 weeks. It was amazing. I would definitely recommend it, and I would recommend planning it now, because even though the quarantine's super intense, Plane tickets are really cheap, even pretty far into the future, because airlines need money. So if you put it far enough ahead to where you are basically positive that there won't be a quarantine anymore, like, you're saving a lot of money and you're not gonna regret it. So go travel. I'm gonna keep saying it all the time, but it's literally the best. And I have so many places I want to go and so many cultures I want to learn about. So thanks so much for watching all of these travel videos, or some of them. I really enjoyed making them. It was a really great time. Check those out if you're really bored at home, or don't. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell thingy, comment on your top travel destination or your top travel memory. Ooh, nah, no one comments. Ralph will comment, Frank might, Jonathan. My commenting boys, let's go. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you when my foot is healed, or when I'm traveling again, or when I'm home bored and quarantined because there's nothing to do.